Hey everyone, Chris from Bókun here to discuss domain names. I'll talk about how they work, why you need one, and some tips for selecting one. This video is part of a series that we are doing on our top website tips. If you like our content, I encourage you to subscribe. This way you can keep up to date with everything that we release. So let's talk about domain names. First, let's discuss what a domain name is and how it works. A domain name is your website's address on the internet. And more than that, it's an easy to remember shortcut to your website. Websites are all hosted on various servers with a location specified by an IP address. Just like it's easier to tell someone your street address rather than the latitude and longitude coordinates of your home. With a domain name, someone can easily type that name into the address bar of their web browser to visit your website. They don't have to worry about remembering an IP address or the other more technical things happening behind the scenes to get to your website. Now let's talk about why you should get a domain name for your tours and activities website. If you're using a website builder like Bókun, you're likely provided with a subdomain address that you can customize. For example, with Bókun, I could have mytoptours.bokun.website, where mytoptours is the name of my company and is a subdomain of .bokun.website. This is great for getting online quickly. However, if you're serious about building your brand and your online presence, you'll want something that you own and control. A domain name will make your business look more legitimate and professional, and it also inspires trust and confidence in your brand, as this looks better than this. A domain name will also help your branding and your relevance with your customers. You have an opportunity to choose something short and easy to remember that reflects what your business does. Your domain name gives you mobility as it can be mapped to any website product you choose, and over time your domain name will help your search engine ranking as your SEO efforts make it more recognizable to search engines. So now that we understand what a domain name is and why we want one for our website, let's run through some tips for choosing one. First and foremost, getting a domain name that matches your company name is always a good move. If you've chosen a relevant, short, and memorable company name, trying to secure that as a domain name is a no-brainer. If not, first consider the length. Shorter is usually better, as it is easier to remember and to type. Consider including keywords that might be relevant to your business or the business location. Also consider using a .com if possible, as it is the most common extension, although other extensions are growing in popularity. Try not to include abbreviations, dashes, or numbers. These are harder for users to remember and could result in them entering your domain name incorrectly. Now, if you're ready to buy your own domain name, it's pretty easy. A simple Google search will result in a number of reputable companies, and here you can purchase your own domain name. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you understand why getting a domain name is a great decision for your tours and activities website.